Now I am going to initiate you into the completion process, means process of completing your self-doubt, hatred, denial, SDHD. Listen, this is the technique from Mahadeva. In the Shiva Sutras, he directly teaches this process to Parvati. Let me give you the original sutra, the translation. It's a 22nd verse of the Shiva Sutras. I'll read out and then explain. Look at your past disidentified. Let attention be at a place where you are seeing some past happening, and even your form having lost its present characteristics is transformed. This is the original sutra. Don't worry, you will not understand anything. Now I will explain. Now I read out the exact translation. I'll explain the process. Listen. The key of the sutra is reliving is relieving. Now, every incident you wrote, you started developing SDHD in your life. Every incident you wrote. Because whatever you are going to complete now, it will be completed once for all. I am responsible for that. I am going to co-create your completion. Please understand. When I say I mean, whatever incompletion now you pen down, relive and relieve, I am responsible, you will become complete. I will describe exact technique. Listen and then you can start doing. You will sit with closed eyes. Pick up the first incident you want to do completion. Relive that incident, not just remembering. Reliving means literally the same emotion which was there at that time. That self-hatred, self-denial. It should be allowed to come up. Relive that same feeling of shame. Whatever you went through at that moment, allow it to come up. Relive. Reliving is relieving. Whatever happens inside you, it's okay. Just relive. You will see the incident will lose power over you. At least 5 times very peacefully sit and relive exactly how that pattern of self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial got created in you. With this awareness, relive. After 5 times you will see the incident does not have any more power over you. The incompletion you created from that incident also will not have power over your cognition. It will not have power over your thinking process. First listen, then you can start doing. First listen. If you wrote 10 incidents need to be completed, first pick up one incident, start reliving, 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 reliving. Don't try to say it is right or wrong and all that. No. Just relive. If you accept, you will become lazy. If you resist, you will become powerless. No acceptance, no resistance. I am not asking you to accept. I am not asking you to resist. If you accept your past, you will become lazy. You will not transform. If you resist your past, you will become powerless. You will be fighting with yourself. neither acceptance nor resistance. Just relive. You will see, after reliving 5 times, that pattern will not have any more power over your cognition. Then decide, now I am completing and dropping. From now I will not allow this pattern to influence my thinking anymore. The process may look very simple. Just because key looks too small, don't think, how can this key open such big door? Door may be 6 feet, but keys are always 6 inch. Key may be small, but it opens the huge doors. The technique may be very small, but it clears so many incompletions and awaken huge power in you. How many of you understand the technique properly? Raise your hand. Shall we start? How many of you don't understand the technique? Raise your hand. I'll repeat. Listen. I'll repeat. If you have written 10 incidents, first pick up the first incident. Relive that incident at least 5 times fully. Like how you watch the cinema, TV. Like that, relive inside. Exactly what happened. You will naturally have so much of that pain related to that incident, all will come up. It's okay, just relive. 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 You will see. Once you relive 5 times, that incident, the pattern you developed from that incident will lose power over you. Then drop it. Pick up the next incident. Relive. This is the completion kriya, Purnatva kriya. This is a powerful kriya to achieve completion inside you. Shall we start? Ready? After this kriya, I will teach you the next process of creating the space for what you want to achieve. That's next. First, cleaning. Only then you can create what you want to create. First, Mano Shuddhi kriya, then Mano Siddhi kriya. Shall we start? Please tie the ribbon. All of you would have been given a eye band, a long cloth. You can just fold that and close your eyes and tie the eye band. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Pick up the first incident you want to complete. In your inner space, in your mind, start reliving it at least 5 times. Complete and drop it. Then pick up the next incident. Relive and relieve. Authentically relive and relieve. One by one. Relive, relieve and complete it. Declare to yourself, you will not allow these patterns, these incompletions to influence you anymore. You will not allow these patterns of STHD to influence your thinking, your decision making anymore. You will be completely complete. You will live in the space of completion. Relive and relieve, relive and relieve all the incompletions. How many of you already had something happening in your body and mind during the process? Raise your hand, let me see. Wonderful. So the initiation process has started in all of you.